If you want to travel to Boroughbridge from Taunton, you'll need to be inventive. 3/4 of a mile of the A361 is underwater. High tides along the River Parrett combined with heavy rain draining from surrounding hills means water's breaching the riverbank and flooding the Somerset Moor.
The worst thing we've had really is the riverbank itself is not being maintained that well. So we've had water coming through, whereas now, as you can see, a lot of sandbags to try and compact the banks to stop the water coming through underneath.
And it's the next 12 hours that will prove crucial for people living here in Boroughbridge. How high will this river come, particularly with all the extra rain?
In Wiltshire, final preparations are also underway in Malmesbury to stop the water getting in.
We've done our level best to keep them, to stop the flooding. It's very difficult. The water gets in up through the floors and through the walls, and we can't stop that.
It's all about prevention in Cirencester too. There's around 6 inches before the water breaches the riverbank here. And in Salford near Bath, our cameraman attempted to get to the Jolly Sailor pub, but had to turn back. The good news is that water levels are dropping. The West is being battered on 2 fronts. Low-pressure storms in the Atlantic combining with high tides.
Now, the western side in the last few weeks has been hit particularly by all these storms. That's causing the tides to be particularly influential. When the storms come in, it combines with the high tides, and the water then in places like here just can't get out.
Gale force winds are being predicted tonight and tomorrow. And as people return to work and to school, disruption is likely, especially in Somerset, as many main roads remain closed. Laura Lyon, BBC Points West.